Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another what I eat in a day. It's a Saturday morning, but I normally would have a bigger breakfast on a Saturday, but I was so busy helping Layla with some homework that I kind of skipped breakfast. I had a banana and a coffee, which is normally what I do during the week, but I didn't really have anything substantial. So it's lunchtime, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make a roast beef brisket sandwich with this M&S meat that I love. And then for dinner tonight, I'm thinking about having smoked salmon with, or salmon fillet with rice noodles. So I'm going to marinate it in honey and soy and chili, and it's going to be delicious. So I'm very much looking forward to that. I don't really eat as much fish and seafood as I should really. I'm not really a seafood person. Like, I don't eat sushi or anything like that. So salmon is a great way for me to get some seafood into me. So yeah, I hope you'll enjoy it. Leave a comment and subscribe if you're new, and yeah, let's get on with the day. So let's check out some point values. So this is the meat that I use. It's the garlic and coriander. I really do love this, and it's so low in point value, so it's ideal for lunch, especially when the bread is going to cost a little bit more. So for half a pack it's 1 point, which I'm more than happy to track. I'm going to have a bit of truffle mayo. I don't track condiments, but for you guys that want to know, if you were to track this, it would cost you, I mean, it doesn't give it me in teaspoons, which is very, very difficult, but you could just weigh it out. But I would say you're looking at about a point or two for a serving. And then these are my current obsession. I love this bread so much. It's so soft and it just tastes great, and it's really filling. I think these are about 6 or 7 points for one. Which, because the point value for the meat is so low, it's a 7-point lunch and it's delicious. So I'm going to track that. That is more than fine for me. So 7-point lunch for this gorgeous sandwich. Would have been nice if I'd had lighter cheddar. I would definitely have had a point's worth just to sprinkle on top, but this is going to be delicious regardless. So I'm going to have that, and then for drink I'm going to have some juice. I've showed you this before. It's a new juice that I really love from M&S, and it is the orange and carrot juice. Just give it a little shake. I always find these quite difficult to open. I'm so weak when it comes to my hands and my wrists. Dinner. I've not actually had an afternoon snack yet, so I'm quite hungry. So I have these skinless salmon fillets. These are free on Blue, so even if I wait to have both of these, which is possible, I might have 1.5 at least because I haven't had much today. That's 0 points, which is incredible. So nothing factored in for that. I have some instant rice noodles, which I'll check the points for in a minute. We're also going to need olive oil, panko breadcrumbs, because I plan to do the salmon, crispy salmon, and then do like a soft noodle to go with it. So I have some ginger, some honey, soy sauce, lemon juice, some water chestnuts, which I picked up from Tesco. We also have chili, flour for the panko, which is what the egg's for as well, and 2 cloves of garlic. So when it comes to the fish, really all it's going to have on it is the salmon dipped into the flour, then the egg, then the panko, and I'm going to put on some lemon juice and some fresh herbs. Actually, I don't think I have any fresh herbs, so I'll have to use dry. Probably like thyme, that kind of thing, parsley. And then I'm going to shallow fry them just to give it a tiny bit of colour, but then I'm going to finish it on a baking tray, which I've already lined in parchment paper. Then in a separate bowl, I'm going to make the marinade, which I will cook these very, very thin rice noodles in. So let's see how much these are when it comes to point value. I'm also going to have to factor in the, what's it called, the breadcrumbs as well. I'm going to have to see what they equate to, but just to double check that these are free on Blue. Yeah, free on Blue, which is great. So I'm going to track those. And then I'm going to track the noodles. I think these come in like little baskets, and these are 5 points, which is fine, so I'm going to track that. Then I'm going to use some panko breadcrumbs. Now I'm not sure how many of these I'm going to use. It's not going to be many. It says 1/4 of a pack is 2 points, so I'm going to track that because it seems about fair. And I'm also going to track the honey that I'm going to be using for my marinade. Normally I wouldn't, but I'm going to today because I'm probably likely to use about a tablespoon of honey, which is 4 points, which seems like a lot, and it is, but that actually leaves me with 5 points remaining for some kind of snack later, or something else. So I'm gonna get the fish started first, and then I'll make the marinade that I'm gonna pour into the noodles when they've softened. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up this coral salmon and just completely immerse it in the flour, just to make sure it has a nice coating that the egg can then bind. And this is going to make it all fluffy, and then I'm going to shake off the excess, and for now I'm going to pop it onto the baking tray, even though I'm not ready for that yet. But considering I don't really have anywhere else to put it, I didn't think that far ahead. I'm going to pop it on the baking tray just while I do the second one. Now it's likely that I won't eat the full thing, however I'm going to eat more fish than noodles, so if I find myself getting full, then I'm likely to get full on fish rather than have all the noodles, if that makes sense. I'm just going to tap off the excess, and then whilst that sits there, that flour will all have to go now. I'm going to crack an egg into a bowl, which again I didn't prepare, which is unlike me. Hold on. Okay, so now I'm going to get one piece of the salmon, pop it in the bowl of the egg, and again immerse it in the egg, and this will make all of those panko breadcrumbs stick to it. So I'm gonna pop it on the tray, get the second one, pop that in the egg. If I immerse it, I'm probably gonna have more than I would most likely need, and then it's a bit of a waste of breadcrumbs if I don't use it all. So I'm gonna coat them, but at the same time I just don't think I need to dunk them in, and I don't think I'm gonna need a layer on the bottom either. And then I'm just gonna use the back of the spoon to really push those breadcrumbs in. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice. I'm literally gonna sprinkle or spritz that, sorry, right on top. I do have a lemon zester on the, not a zester, sorry, a lemon juicer on the way because mine broke. I bought a nice one from Anthropology, which I really can't wait for. So it'll be nice once that comes, but we have some nice juices there. And then to echo the marinade, I'm gonna sprinkle on a few chili flakes for both colour, but also give it a little bit of heat. I'm also gonna add some fresh parsley. Not fresh, I keep saying fresh because normally I would use fresh, but obviously this is dry. And to finish, I'm gonna add a little dash of thyme. And before I pop this in the heat, I am gonna give it a little spritzing of olive oil, which I'm not gonna track because I feel like I've tracked way more than I normally would for this dinner, if I'm honest. That's probably about a teaspoon's worth. And then just to disperse this oil a little bit better, I am going to dash that in. And there we have it. I'm gonna pop that into a shallow cast iron where I'm gonna fry it very, very lightly with a bit of garlic, and then the rest of the cooking time will go into the oven. Which once the noodles have soaked for 2 minutes, they'll have their final 1 minute cooking time in a pan with this marinade, which I'm making now. It's basically just a mixture of things, again, that I know will go well together. I am actually including some chestnut, water chestnuts in there as well, which I think are quite nice to have in a stir fry. I need to check whether they have a point value actually, because I mean, are they classed as a nut? I'm pretty sure they'll be classed as a nut, so I should check and see what they equate to. But I'm just dicing my ginger. I'm not dicing it too fine because I really don't mind. And that's going into the bowl, which also has in it olive oil. And I'm gonna pop in the remaining chili flakes. And I'm gonna eyeball some soy sauce, probably about a tablespoon if I'm honest. There we go. Along with some honey. Now I don't think I'm gonna need a tablespoon worth actually. I think that's about right, which actually might have been a tablespoon to be quite fair. And then I'm gonna add some chopped ginger. If I had fresh, I would use it. I don't, so I'm using this lazy one. But I think it's quite handy to have, just in case you don't have ginger lying around. So I'm gonna pop that in there. And mix all of that. And I'm also going to add, not all of, but some of the lemon juice from earlier. So a nice decent spritz. I'm going to add salt and pepper, and then I'm going to drain off some water chestnuts and pop those in there as well. So, even though Andrew's not having the fish, he is having some of the noodles, which is why I've used 2 nests or parcels. So I'm just going to cover them and leave them to sit for 2 minutes, and then for the final minute they will cook in the marinade. It's actually the next morning now. That fish was delicious. Honestly, I will be having that frequently because I absolutely loved it. The noodles were, everything was great. I was even dreaming about it like throughout the evening. I was like, dinner was so good. I'm actually still in my PJs. It's a Sunday morning and I thought I would end the video here, but thank you so much for watching. Yesterday I had 5 points remaining, so I had a bit of chocolate. Layla and I made some Easter bark, so I just broke off a piece of that and had it. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed it. Kids are around. The Easter holidays have officially started, so I hope you're enjoying all the content that's coming your way. But give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!